Hello guys, welcome to Staad tutorials. In this session we will be discussing about file foundations. So I will pick a previously designed building in Staad. Once we are done with modeling and post-processing, I go to foundation design and select all the loads. Now I run Staad foundation. You can see the foundations have been provided. You can view the column positions. Going to job setup, create a new job, give it as file, select job type as file cap, provide design code which is Indian, and SI units assigned to all supports, both the loads. Before this, we need to create load combinations as per Indian code for both service and ultimate loads. Now you can create the job. Give it as file, select file cap, Indian code, SI units, and all the combinations. Select create job. Once you have got file cap job here, and close these windows. First, the design parameters. As usual, the parameters of first for design, strength of concrete, unit weight of concrete, covers. Here we provide side cover for footing, file cap solid, bottom cover, and also covering the piles, file cap. Then you go to file layout. Here you provide file arrangement for support. We need only one file for one support for one foundation, and we need to provide values. Probably 200, uplift will be 200. Let us select the vertical also 200. Now we have all this predefined, and I'll select manual arrangement. I don't want any auto arrangement, and I'll select calculate. Here I will select 4 file arrangement. You can select any files arrangement. Now I will select arrangement. I'll select OK. Then select arrangement. Then you go to design, select design yes. You come up with the design. The design has been provided. You can see the detailing and scheduling. The detail drawing. Elevation and the plan. In this way we design 5 foundations. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to the channel.